Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 10 of the Leetcode Day Challenge. Hit the like button, subscribe button, join me in Discord. Let me know what you think about this one. So yeah, I still am recovering from a cold or whatever it was. My body is still very cold. I'm wearing like 5 layers right now. So I'm just gonna try to, not gonna lie, rush through this a little bit. You know, my apologies, but hopefully, we've done this part. We've done this part before. Hopefully, if this video isn't great, then my previous video was better. Yeah, let's look at today's problem. We have 712 minimum ASCII delete sum for 2 strings. Given 2 strings S1 and S2, return to the lowest. Return the lowest ASCII sum of deleted characters to make 2 strings equal. Delete S from SEA adds ASCII of E to the sum. Deleting T. Okay, so we're trying to like it's basically just what's it called? Longest, not longest, I guess in this case, but like yeah, some sort of like longest common subsequence type E dynamic programming, right? You just yeah, you just basically keep or you could think of it as trying to delete or make both strings correct, where the deletion is 0 if they're both the same. So we can and just basically just write something like excuse me, right? And I must apologize also a little bit, because recently I've been kind of, today I do feel a little bit better than yesterday for sure, but even before that, because I was traveling on these things, I just haven't gone over dynamic programming in detail recently. Probably what I have done it in the previous video, so definitely check that out. But basically what I do here is that I have this thing cache, and this thing cache, which I don't go over in detail enough, just allows to memorize. All it does is that it does memorization, which means that for every input that are the same, it returns the same output, right? Which is the definition of memorization. Yeah. I want to write this. Maybe something like this, right? We're done, right? So we consume. How do I? Oh, is it char? No, this the other one. Man, I'm blanking out on how to just convert things to is it char? Oh, Odin. Yeah. Okay. So something like this, right? And this is like you know, a preview to what we're gonna do with this, right? So we basically have 3 choices, right? We could delete both, but only if they're the same, right? So yeah, so best is you go to, I don't know, infinity, right? If S1 of index 1 is equal to S2 dot index 2, as we said, we just treat it as the cost is equal to 0, right? Yeah, and then we do, I want to write plus 0, but obviously it just means it's 0. And then now we just delete one, delete the first from either, right? And that should be good. That should be enough to be good. I need to take a shower. I'm like so smelly. And that's it. There you have it, hopefully. Let's give it a quick submit. I did sneak a little. the way that I did it may look a little too more YOLO than I intended. I did sneak a peek at the constraints, and given that this is 1,000, I knew that with dumb equals to 1,000, that means that this has 1,000 times 1,000, so there's 1,000,000 input, right? And each input we only do like constant number of times space things. So this is going to be O of n1 times n2 time and space, which is fast enough for equals to 1,000, right? So I did take a look at that before I coded, but forgot to mention it. That's it. That's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and yeah, stay good, stay healthy to your mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.